Well, welcome back to the Fox Shop, everybody. It's not a bad day out today. I think it's in the lower 60s right now. I did get I got the oil changed in the green truck yesterday. Got it changed and she's all ready to go. As far as the 1999 Tahoe goes, this darn thing, one thing after another. Anyway, I got a fuel pump for it, and I get Delphi fuel pumps. Had really good luck with those. Problem is, I'm not going to take it out of here, but problem is, it didn't come with a locking ring. I thought they did. I thought I've got Delphi fuel pumps before, and they came with locking rings. I had a heck of a time getting this one off, and I got it off, but kind of broke into pieces. And then I had not a bunch, but a little bit of rusty stuff. I had stuff all around here, and I got it out. I had the shop vac. I got it out. Use a magnet to pick up all the little metal pieces that drop down in there. I don't see any others. There's the old one. And it's been in there for probably 120 or 50,000 miles. I don't know. This thing's got 260 some thousand miles on it. And I bought it with 62,000. For some reason, I think I replaced that at like 80,000 miles or something. But, so I got a new fuel pump. It arrived. And the new fuel lines arrived. I got these from Lines to Go, and they look, switch hands here, I'm doing this on my phone. They look really good. Let me pull them out here. They're all pre-bent. I've got some lines I don't need, and comes with a new fuel filter. I don't know what brand of fuel filter that is, but looks like everything I need to get this thing back together. If I had that locking ring, I could probably get that done today, but I don't, and I ordered one, and it'll be here, well, today's Wednesday, it's going to be a couple of days, get that on there. And the problem is, the darn fuel line's up. I'm not going to get under this thing. Is one thing. My back is feeling better. It's, I don't really know why. Leanna had me drink some swigs of pickle juice and a bunch of water yesterday. And then I think I forgot to take the antibiotic last night. This looks like it's really zoomed in. Well, much as I can get. But anyway, and today it's not quite as bad. But anyway, under here, fuel lines, there's a lot of gravel and stuff right up against them, and they're all rusted out inside there. Fuel filter is right up in here. I just need to disconnect the line. I guess from the line going up to the engine, disconnect that, reconnect the new line with the fuel filter onto that, run it back here into the fuel tank. I just need the new locking ring to get that all put together, and we should be back in business. Get the fuel tank back up in there, and the old girl will run. I've been doing just fine without it. I mean, I have other vehicles to drive, but I like driving this thing. One, it's comfortable, it's solid, she runs good, everything works on it still, and it's been a really good vehicle ever since I bought it back in 2000. I think it was 2005, 4 or 5, somewhere right in there. Got that thing. I think I paid $7,200 for it back in 2005, which wasn't bad. She has treated me pretty darn good. But yeah, I got the oil changed in the green truck, and it is all ready to go. And Leanna, she's home. She's up in the house. We're going to have burgers and fries tonight. We were going to do that last night. We ended up having pizza. But I'm just giving you a little... I just tripped over a hammer. Little update here on what's going on. These lines, well, they cost almost $300. But, let me pull them out again. They seem to be really... really good quality. Got all the connections and everything I need. The one line I do have that goes, it's the return line, and it goes clear up into the engine bay. I don't need that, but that came with the kit, and this looks like it's maybe not where it's supposed to be. I don't know. Just this old girl has treated me pretty good. So anyway, guys, giving you a little update here on what's going on. We're gonna go make some smash burgers and fries on the Blackstone after bed. I should make a video on that, but I'm probably not going to. This darn thing, I tell you what, taking that ring off was a pain in the butt. I finally got it off, and yeah, I dropped a little bit of stuff down on there. I still have a little bit that I have a magnet, just get it out of there. It's just all right down in here. And then the new kit came with this gasket. I couldn't figure out how that worked. I thought this had to come off, but it doesn't. I watched another YouTube video on that. You have to get it aligned and everything just right, but doesn't look like it's going to be too hard. So I've had really good luck with those Delphi pumps. That's what the green truck has in it. And this one has got, 180 or I don't know. It's got a lot of miles on it, and it was working just fine. But gonna put a new one in it, and hopefully everything will go good. I hope you're all having a good day, and we will catch you next time. Bye bye.